To begin with, let's start with the use of the Redken Flash Lift powdered lightener that I used, along with about a ½ ounce of Olaplex bond multiplier. Leaving sections include slices as well as pieces. My deposit-only colors from Chromastics. The recipe is right here. It'll also be in the description, along with a link to their website. I don't work for them. I just really like this product. Now, as you can see, we get some vibrance out of that, but not nearly as much as we are going to. The next step is for me to take a product out of the Joico color intensity line. I'm using Orchid deposit only color at this point. As you can see, I'm overdubbing on this bit of audio. It's because the audio on the original video didn't turn out so hot, so we're going to overdub. How's that? Okay, so what I'm going to do is take sections that are very clean by taking my brush at a very sharp angle, coming right down but just above, so I'm not touching the scalp, and working it up very gently. I'll have a little bit of work to do afterwards because I'm not going to go all the way to the ends at this point. Ultimately I will, but not right at this point. So now I just take and work that on up, get another section. Use plenty of product. In fact, in this instance, I use 2 tubes. I definitely feel like I'm not going to waste time by trying to be stingy with product. I use all the product I need, then I just charge accordingly. Now, as I'm coming up on this, what I want to do is keep it as clean as I can, and then whatever gets on the skin, immediately remove with a warm towel that has nice, well, not hot water, but pretty warm water on it. So get that right off the scalp immediately. Tidy is best. Now I'm going to squish the hair on through, the color on through. I'm going to really squeeze that on in so I get my color just everywhere. Work the whole thing through, let it sit for 20 minutes. Here are the end results. Look at the vibrance of this purple. By jacketing the Joico over the top of the Chromastics, I get a really super rich tone that just absolutely, well, the results speak for themselves, don't they? I certainly hope you found this to be valuable, that you got something out of this that will make your day just a little bit more productive and interesting. If you did, I appreciate it if you take just a moment and give us a thumbs up. Mention something in the comment section you liked, maybe something you didn't like, something you'd like to know or you'd like me to cover later on. Appreciate your time, and if you'd like to, you can find all kinds of content like this on our Perry Kinney Hair Coach channel on YouTube. Hey, you guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching.